6 signs of a bad fuel pump in your car. A fuel pump is an essential component of any gasoline-powered car, as it helps to deliver fuel from the gas tank to the engine. If the fuel pump fails, the car may not start or may stop running while driving. Here are 6 signs to look for to determine if your fuel pump is bad. 1. Difficulty starting the engine. If the engine cranks but doesn't start or starts and stalls shortly after, it could be a sign that the fuel pump is not delivering enough fuel to the engine. 2. Loss of power. If you notice a sudden loss of power while driving, or the car struggles to accelerate, it may be due to a failing fuel pump. 3. Engine sputtering. If the engine sputters or hesitates during acceleration or while driving at high speeds, it could be due to a lack of fuel pressure caused by a failing fuel pump. 4. Whining noise. A failing fuel pump may produce a high-pitched whining noise when the car is running. 5. Low fuel pressure. If you have a fuel pressure gauge, you can check the fuel pressure to see if it is within the manufacturer's recommended range. The low reading could indicate a failing fuel pump. 6. Check engine light. A failing fuel pump can trigger the check engine light to come on, as it can cause issues with the fuel system and emissions. If you notice any of these signs, it's essential to have your car inspected by a qualified mechanic to diagnose the issue and replace the fuel pump if necessary. Ignoring a failing fuel pump can lead to costly repairs or even leave you stranded on the side of the road. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content.